How's it going, y'all? My name is Aiden Anderson, and this is the Moscow Minutes. I'll be bringing you the latest from the Latah County Commissioner meetings from the week of October 23rd, 2022. This week, we'll be looking at some taxpayer adjustments, a tax software update, and the appointment of some public defender contracts. Let's get into it. Monday began with some cleaning up of the books with the assessor's office in the form of taxpayer adjustments and indemnity bonds. The taxpayers adjustments had to do with decisions that missed deadlines earlier in the year while tax season was active. Indemnity bonds represent missing payments from the county to other entities to be sent out. All of the taxpayer adjustments slotted for this agenda were approved, with 5 cancellations and 1 refund being granted by the commissioners. The 5 indemnity bonds on the agenda were approved as well. Beyond that, the commissioners went through a selection of action items. They approved the renewal of a temporary second dwelling permit and the renewal of the McDowell Repeater Tower lease for the Sheriff's Department. They reluctantly filed the resignation of Dulcie Kirsting Lark from the Latah County Parks and Recreation Board before approving estimates on flooring supplies and installation costs for said flooring for the Latah County Blaine building. They also approved the higher bid of $90,800 from last week's bulletproof glass discussion, as the work that was included in the cost of that bid was far more comprehensive and complete than in the cheaper bid. Following all that, some software-related items. The commissioners approved a computer access system agreement with Pioneer Title for data assessment program access. They then adopted Resolution 2022-09 for a sole source vendor for comprehensive software systems. This resolution means that Latah County will be conducting a complete update to its tax software system, which has been unchanged for about 40 years or so. The change in software should be available for use in the summer of 2023. Following an executive session for personnel timesheet review, attorney-client communication, and pending or imminently likely litigation, the commissioners received the County Annual Juvenile Justice Report. Most of this report is automatically reported as cases come in, but the total numbers for restitutions made were only just submitted at this meeting, with the total being $968.28. The commissioners accepted this report before going off the record for the day. Wednesday began with a bi-monthly meeting with the head of the Facilities Department, who gave an update on the state of county construction projects, and in particular, an update on the state of the remodeling work being done at Latah County Blaine. This was followed by the approval of 6 professional services contracts for court-appointed counsel for indigent persons, 5 of which were applied to 1 juvenile case, and 1 which was applied to a separate criminal case. These contracts are generally brought up when the indigent persons in question have conflicts with the other public defenders available. The commissioners then held their weekly review, where each commissioner gave an update as to what they've been up to recently, before going into a final executive session for attorney-client communication. And that's the latest from the Latah County Commissioners. As always, we'll have the relevant links posted with this video, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Aiden Anderson with the Moscow Minutes. See you next time.